In this video, I will show you how to create new user on your Nintendo Switch. And to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet, and then you want to head over to the settings icon at the bottom over here. So navigate to the settings icon over here, select that. And now you want to scroll down continuously until you get to the users option over here. Select that, and then scroll down to where you have add user over here. Select that. And then if you have any software open, you will have to close it up. So just click on close. And I'll click on the create new user option over here. And then select your icon for the new user. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select this icon over here. Click on A. And then you want to also enter a nickname for this particular user. In my case, I'll go ahead and enter Big Tech Guy. And then just scroll down and click on the OK button over here. And automatically this particular user will be created and added to your Nintendo Switch console. So you want to go ahead and click on the OK button over here, and you can as well proceed to create and link a Nintendo account for this particular user on your Nintendo Switch. I have made a separate tutorial on how to go about this. It is pretty much a longer process, but you can check the link in the description of this video and watch that particular video. For now, I'll just go ahead and click on the letter option over here. And then once you come over here, you can now see that we have 3 users. And if you come over to the home of your Nintendo Switch, you can now see that we have 3 users at the top of the Nintendo Switch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.